Have you ever seen an amazing AI video and wondered how it was created? But when you try to write the prompt yourself, the result just doesn't look the same? The problem is that describing every detail manually is not easy. You need to capture the subject, style, lighting, camera movement, colors, and overall mood. That's where Edimakor's Image to Prompt feature comes in. Instead of starting from a blank page, you can simply extract a frame from any video and let AI analyze it for you. Just upload your image to Edimakor Image to Prompt, and it will automatically identify the key elements, including objects, background, composition, visual style, colors, and atmosphere. In just one click, it turns your image into a detailed AI-ready prompt that you can reuse for image generation, animation, or video creation. What makes this feature more powerful is that it helps you keep the same visual style and creative direction without spending hours testing different prompts. After generating your prompt, you can take it directly to Edimakor's AI Video Generator. Choose your AI model, enter your prompt, and Edimakor can transform your idea into a complete AI video in minutes. Powered by advanced models like Kling and Seedance, Edimakor supports text-to-video creation with realistic visuals, smooth animations, and professional results. You can also customize the generated video with AI voiceovers, subtitles, transitions, and other editing tools inside Edimakor. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, TikTok content, marketing videos, or creative animations, this workflow makes AI video creation much faster and easier. So instead of struggling to write the perfect prompt, let your images do the work. Try Edimakor Image to Prompt an AI video generator, and turn any visual idea into a brand new video.